Well, hello there, friends. Whether you came here to learn how to make a pizza pie or just watch me make a pizza pie with no intention of cooking anything like a fatty McFat that will order food afterwards, I will show you how to do it. Step 1. Ingredients. You will be needing one pastry dough sheet and one pizza dough sheet. You will also need 2 garlic cloves, 1 big spoon of oil, half small spoon of salt, 1 small spoon of pepper, 1 small spoon of oregano, and 1 egg. You can also use butter instead of oil if you're really fat. You'll also need green onion, mozzarella, corn, dried sausages, tomato sauce, and cherry tomatoes. Oh, and these measurements are just for reference. It's fine if you get them wrong. Step 2. The sauce. Mince the garlic cloves and put them together with the oil in a wok. Then you'll probably tell me, but I don't have a wok. Cry, baby. Just use your pleb saucepan or whatever. Agitate the garlic on low to medium heat for about a minute. Dump the tomato sauce over the garlic in a very sloppy manner. Make sure you get some on the stove, on yourself, and on the walls. Now it's time to dump in the oregano, the pepper, and the salt. Now, of course, you can use other herbs and spices you like as well. You can probably add rosemary, paprika, you can probably add your children. Oh, and this should take you about 15 minutes. Step 3. Assembly. Gently massage the pizza dough into a round baking tray, like you would your loved one, if you still could, because they left you for this sexy guy. Oh yeah. Afterwards, cut the excess pizza dough and give them to your children, never your cat or your dog. Now we can finally put the rest of the ingredients, starting with the sauce. Spread it evenly. Now we'll put half of the mozzarella in, followed by half of the sausages, followed by the other half of the mozzarella and the other half of the sausages. Oh, and at the end also add the green onion, the corn, and the tomatoes. Separately cut the pastry dough sheets into strips as wide as a finger, and then assemble them in a fancy manner like yours truly. Afterwards, you just have to do an egg wash over all the strips with the egg we have left. Then you throw it into the oven at about 200 degrees Celsius for about 45 minutes, and you should get something like this. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.